2017 Mini Cooper Clubman and similar vehicles, how to install front seatbelt assembly. First off, this rubber molding, pull it back on both sides, about half the door. Same thing on the rear. This rubber molding, just pull on it, but allow it to come off half the door. Next, what we'll do is lift up on this door sill, allow that cup to come off, and then pull on this bottom piece. Once you pull on it, you're going to release all these tabs. As you can see, these white tabs. It's not held in by any type of screw. Once that's released, this whole piece will come out together. And you can separate the white piece and the black piece like so. Just pull it apart. That gives us access to the seatbelt assembly. In this case, it has already been removed. You will also have to remove one screw. I believe it's like a T24 or a T12. I might have to double check on the size. Remove that screw and you'll be able to remove the belt that's behind it. In this case, we're working on the right front. You'll see on the seatbelt assembly an R placed on it. That refers to the right side. This hole right over here in front of my thumb is the bolt that you'll have to remove or replace when installing it. You will see a notch built out on the seatbelt assembly right there. Slides in right there, and it gives it a once you have it placed there, you're able to swing it back and forth and then line up the hole with the bolt that goes right over here. As you can see, we place the bolt, the T45 bolt into its place. You can hand tighten it, make sure that it's going in correctly. Once that's done, then you can use a ratchet and tighten it up. The next step is 2 wires. Green goes into the green socket. The black one goes into the black socket. They both have these tabs on top. As you can see, this black notch, you can place a flathead screwdriver and lift it up as so. So push it in, then you can push the black tab in, and it's in its spot. They're both plugged in. Next, lift the seatbelt latch up, slide it through this metal bracket, and there will be a T20 screw that goes in. Tighten up the T20 screw. Next, further on up, you will find the seatbelt upper mounting bolt. Also a T45. Place that in the hole, hand tighten, and then torque it down with a wrench. Once that's done, only thing remaining will be the bottom latch that's attaches to the bottom of the seat. We will show that part. First off, we will reassemble plastic components, put the rubber back on the door seals, and we should be good. For this remaining part, we'll get the top plastic piece. It goes right here. We will insert the seatbelt through it and then reattach it to the pillar. As you can note, these plastic tabs right here, there's supposed to be one more over here. We'll go through both of these. This long bottom plastic piece will go into that hole, and then the two upper holes, as you can see, one right there and then one over here. Quick tip, when you're placing this white piece back up, make sure you put it further up into those holes. It will slide further up, and then you can snap it into place. And make sure the latch is out of it, and also the bottom portion that attaches to the passenger front seat. Now we will replace the rubber door seal. It's very simple. It goes into the grooves. Same for the driver's side, the front passenger side.